fuck it, can we lock it? It's a danger when I talk, I always pop shit. Got a case and I'm the locksmith. Drowning in that cave like I cannot swim. Don't talk to me when I'm counting up. I'm too foolish, that's a big sin. Maybe a trip besides that, but just told your bitch come lift in. These niggas won't come outside, I swear to God, we'll blitz them. 4-5, I got big shells and I don't see no beach then. And my daddy inside my heart, I'm moving around just like a wolf. Why y'all niggas won't play, they probably can tell from this, them niggas whoop. How the sucks become the CEO, I left them niggas shook. I believe in staying down, I have to read it in no book. Got the Hellcat in this nigga moving around just like a crook. Man, my wrist sitting in no Legos, now your bitch you tryna look. I had took it different when I see how you look for your puff. But you let me how I love you if I made you with my blood. Super astronaut, I'm tryna buy another plane. Super astronaut, I don't even think they understand. 2025, I think I'm going for a Grammy. Tryna get a year so I can pull it to my mammies. I don't think they on the same wave, niggas candy. I could pay the right price to get her out of panties. There's no discussion too. My bitch got brains on her and she get disgusted too. Don't drink,
Put this down. Fuck the cops. Fuck the sheriff department. You can fuck suck my dick.